Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements, Android 8, 0 or newer, the latest Duolingo app and an active account. Once done, open your home screen and long press empty space to access widgets. This is where Android exposes widget options. Make sure Duolingo appears in the widget list. If not, update the app or restart your phone. Then, sign into Duolingo and finish one lesson so the widget has fresh data to show. That gets you ready for placing the widget. You now add and configure the widget. Tap and hold the Duolingo widget, then drag it to the screen spot you want. Pick 1x1 for compact icon or 2x2 for more info. Once placed, tap the widget to open its configuration, select the target language, and enable quick actions like practice or streaks. Next, ensure app permissions allow background activity and notifications so the widget updates. If resizing is needed, long press and resize handles will appear. Use them to fit your layout. Finish by testing the widget. Tap its actions, confirm streak and XP display, and observe updates after completing lessons. If it appears blank, first restart your phone. This clears launcher glitches. Make sure Duolingo's cache is not corrupt. Clear cache from app info if needed, but avoid clearing data unless you signed in. If problems persist, reinstall the app. Sign back into your Duolingo account to restore progress. One key tip: enable notifications and background activity. Most widget sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.